How do we do this?
You see this little gully here?
Yeah.
You can hang out there for a second or two, and you're gonna see the water crashing around all around you, and then you're gonna slide right down.
We're gonna be lowered, but at the same time, we're tethered to a fixed line that shoots us down into this pool.
Looking at the rush of water, I am kicking myself for not remembering my hood.
Here we go. Oh man, it's cold. Oh, whoa. Now this is a crucial move. I gotta get down into the turbo wash without slipping. Here we go. Ah! Ah! Woo! Oh! 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 Woo! Oh! Oh! I am directly under the waterfall right now. It is just slamming me. I can't see anything. It's just white. Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh man, I was not expecting that. Oh man, I'm sliding good. Ah! Woo! Yeah! I made it. Okay, I'm ready to dry off. I'm still real cold, guys.
Guess what? We have 2 more slides to go before we're out of here.
Are you serious? All right, well, whatever. It never ends. The adventure continues.
Let's go.
Awesome. Yes, it was.